Peace and blessings. To those who are standing on the edge of despair, feeling crushed under the weight of fear and helplessness, here's the call to courage that echoes throughout the pages of the Torah. Courage is not the absence of fear, the sacred resolve to stand firm in the face of it. Again and again, the Torah reminds us that strength is not measured by might, but by the trust in the one who leads us. Remember when the Israelites stood trembling before the Red Sea, with Pharaoh's army closing in on them? Fear gripped their hearts, but Moses answered with divine conviction to fear not and stand firm and see the salvation of Yah, which he will perform for you today. Exodus 14 and verse 13. In that moment, courage wasn't forged through certainty, but it was through obedience. Daring to believe that Elohim was not finished writing their story. The heroes of the Torah were not born bold. They were called to be. Abraham left everything familiar to him for an unknown land. Joseph endured betrayal and prison, holding to his faith and the dreams that had not yet been fulfilled. And Joshua stepping into Moses' seat, hearing the stirring charge from Elohim himself. Be strong and courageous. Deuteronomy 31 and verse 6. Not because the path would be easy, but because Elohim would walk with you in it. So, to the weary in heart that cannot see tomorrow, and you're in a dark place, this for you. The Torah does not call us to be fearless. It calls us to act in spite of our fear, to be anchored in the knowledge that the Creator of heaven and earth, he goes before us, even before we get there. Courage, in Torah-centric terms, is an act of faith. It is lifting your eyes when all you want to do is look down. It's stepping forward while your knees are trembling. It's declaring, like King David did in Psalm 27, though an army encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Hallelujah. So take heart. That same Elohim who parted the Red Sea, who strengthened Joseph in the pit, and who stood with Daniel in the lion's den has not changed. He's the same. And he sees you. He's with you. And he works through you. Even the weakest among us can rise like lions. You know, hallelujah. Here's a petition for you and for me in times of despair when we need strength. O Yah, Elohim of our fathers, the Elohim of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, awaken your people in every land. Stir up the embers of courage in their hearts of your children. To the house of Israel, rise. Do not be paralyzed by fear, nor silenced by despair. Let us remember that we are not orphans in a storm. We are the covenant people, chosen to bring light into the shadow places. Strengthen our hands to build, O Yah, our voices to cry out for justice, and our feet to walk boldly in the path of righteousness. May the timid be emboldened, and the weary restored, the scattered be gathered, and let all of us, each of us, wherever we are, to stand like Joshua with hearts made steadfast, not by power or by might, but by trusting in the Holy One of Israel. Hallelujah. So be strong and courageous, O Israel, for Yah, our Elohim, is with us wherever we go. Peace and blessings.